everyone. Welcome back to the Lingo Listen. I'm Emma, and we're really excited to share another real-life conversation with you today.
Hey everyone, I'm Sam, and today we are talking about something very normal, but somehow extremely stressful.
Getting locked out of the house.
Oh wow, immediate panic already,
Very immediate panic.
because somehow it always happens at the worst time.
Very true. Maybe late at night?
Maybe when it is cold,
Maybe when you are already tired.
or maybe right before something important.
Oh no. That feels stressful already.
Then suddenly, you stand outside,
Looking at the door.
looking at your pockets.
Looking inside your bag.
Somehow, still nothing.
Today, we are talking about getting locked out of the house in English.
Real English for real life.
Because sometimes learning English is not only about grammar. Sometimes you just want help without panic.
Very important goal.
Very important.
Before we begin, if you enjoy learning English through natural conversations,
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the Lingo Listen.
okay, Emma, let's imagine something. You come home after a long day,
Very tired.
very, very tired.
Maybe carrying groceries.
Maybe thinking about dinner.
Maybe just wanting to rest.
Then suddenly, big problem.
No keys.
Oh no, immediate panic.
Very immediate panic.
Then maybe you check your pocket.
Nothing.
Check again.
Still nothing.
Check the same pocket again.
Hope checking.
Desperate checking.
But somehow, still no keys.
Emma, question time.
Okay.
Most stressful locked out moment.
Easy. Realizing the keys are inside.
Oh wow, that feels painful.
Very painful.
Especially when you can literally see them,
Through the window.
just sitting there.
Doing nothing.
Honestly, rude behavior from the keys.
Fair answer.
Then maybe you suddenly think, wait, did I leave them inside?
Big realization moment.
Very big realization moment.
Useful sentence, everyone. I think I left my keys inside.
Very useful real life English. Repeat after us. I think I left my keys inside.
Very simple English.
Or maybe I forgot my keys.
Useful sentence, everyone. I forgot my keys.
Repeat after us. I forgot my keys.
Very useful English.
Then maybe you call someone for help.
Maybe family.
Maybe roommate.
Maybe friend.
Useful sentence, everyone. Can you help me?
Or maybe, do you have a spare key?
Repeat after us. Do you have a spare key?
Very useful English.
Honest question. Why do problems always happen when nobody answers the phone?
Honestly, very good question.
Then maybe you wait outside.
Awkward waiting,
Very awkward waiting.
especially if neighbors walk by.
Oh wow. Embarrassing moment.
Then maybe somebody asks, "Are you okay?"
Useful sentence, everyone. I locked myself out.
Repeat after us. I locked myself out.
Very useful real life English.
Emma, be honest. Have you ever locked yourself out?
Wait, why are we talking about my secrets again?
Fair question.
Maybe one time.
One time?
Okay, maybe more than one time.
Honest answer again.
One time, I stood outside for 30 minutes.
Sounds stressful already.
Very stressful. Then suddenly, I realized, wrong house.
Wait, wrong house?
Very wrong house.
Oh no, wrong and confident again.
Apparently, that is my personality.
Very consistent personality.
Thank you. I think.
Then maybe, nobody has a spare key.
Oh no, serious moment.
Very serious.
Then maybe there's another way to ask for help.
Yes. Sometimes nobody has a spare key.
Very stressful, especially when nobody answers the phone.
Very, very stressful.
Then suddenly, you realize, okay, I really need help.
big, serious moment.
Very serious moment.
Then maybe you call a locksmith.
Oh wow, professional help time.
Useful sentence, everyone. I locked myself out.
Or maybe, can you help me open the door?
Very useful real-life English.
Repeat after us. Can you help me open the door?
Nice, simple English.
Then maybe somebody asks, where are you?
Oh no, address remembering moment.
Very stressful moment.
Especially when panic already started.
Honest question. Why does panic make people forget simple things?
Honestly, very good question.
Then maybe you wait outside.
More awkward waiting.
Very awkward waiting.
Maybe sitting near the door.
Maybe checking your phone every minute.
Maybe hoping for magic.
Big hope.
Very big hope.
Emma, question time.
Okay,
Most awkward locked out moment.
easy. Pretending everything is normal.
Wait, really?
Yes, because suddenly a neighbor walks by.
Oh no. Social moment.
Then they ask, everything okay?
And inside, everything is not okay.
Very not okay.
But somehow, people still say, yeah, everything is fine.
Very real behavior.
Honest question. Have you ever forgotten something important inside the house?
Sadly, yes.
Oh wow. What happened?
One time I left my phone inside.
Okay, sounds stressful.
Very stressful. Then suddenly, I realized the food was cooking too.
Oh wow. Double panic.
Very double panic.
Wrong and confident again.
Apparently, that is my personality.
Very consistent personality.
Thank you. I think.
Then finally, help arrives.
Best feeling ever.
Very best feeling.
Then maybe the door opens.
Big success.
Emotional reunion with the keys.
Very emotional reunion.
Suddenly, life feels normal again.
Very true.
Then maybe say thank you so much.
Useful sentence, everyone. Thank you so much.
Repeat after us. Thank you so much.
Nice, natural English.
Emma question.
Okay,
Worst locked out feeling.
easy. Realizing the keys are inside.
Oh wow, that feels personal.
Very personal.
What about you?
Waiting outside with no plan.
Oh no, that feels stressful.
Very stressful.
But honestly, getting locked out of the house can feel very stressful.
Especially when panic feels real.
Or everything feels confusing.
But simple English helps.
Very true. You do not need perfect English.
Short sentences work.
Like, I locked myself out.
I forgot my keys.
Can you help me?
Do you have a spare key?
I think I left my keys inside.
Thank you so much.
Real English. Real life.
Confidence grows slowly.
One conversation at a time.
One small sentence at a time.
Even stressful moments help.
Emma, question.
Okay,
Best locked out advice.
easy. Keep a spare key, stay calm, and check your pocket one more time.
Very realistic advice.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for spending time with us today, everyone.
We hope this conversation helped you English feel easier and more natural.
And maybe made getting locked out feel a little less stressful.
If you enjoyed learning with us,
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the Lingo Listen.
we'll see you again soon.
Bye, everyone.